Hello everyone. So how to install Apollo Reddit widget to your iOS 14. So first obviously you just need Apollo app. So what is that? It's an app viewer for Reddit. So there you have Apollo for Reddit. More than 100,000 reviews. Super cool. It's just an app where you can see enjoy Reddit with a bit better design and bit better overview. I know it's not loading, but yeah, something like that. That's just a cleaner view of Reddit. And another cool feature is that when you install the widgets, then you can just search for Apollo, and that's how you install the widget. You can select, like, for example, just simple Reddit, multiple posts, popular posts, feed grid. So something like that, just add that, for example, and there you have the super massive Reddit widget. So there you have it, and then you can just edit widget, uh, depending on what you selected. Feed type home, you can select popular or just see from specific subreddit, a specific subreddit group. So that's that, and yeah, that's basically how that works. If you're not happy, you can always remove Apollo widget. Hope that was helpful, guys, and thanks for watching.